Ano nga ba ang nangyari sa ilong ni Miss Sanya Lopez? Tingnan natin itong photo sequence ni Miss Sanya Lopez. Photo 1 to 4, you would see there are subtle changes na. Okay, so kita nyo, mas naging contoured yung nose, naging mas defined. By photo 5, makikita nyo na yung nose bridge niya ay mas mataas, mas manipis, as well as the tip. But, kung makapansin nyo, meron din para medyo weird na nangyari dun sa tip at alars niya. So ito guys, in my professional opinion, I think she really had a revision rhinoplasty. Kaya nagkaganon. Kasi ang laki masyado ng difference from the before photos niya eh. Even though she already had rhinoplasty din sa mga photos niya yun, ito, mas malaki pa yung pinagbago. And yes, unfortunately, grossly you would see na meron talaga siyang tip deviation and alar and nostril asymmetry. Bakit nga ba tumatabingi ang ilong after surgery? Number 1 is because of aging and gravity. So over time, may chance talaga na bumagsak yung tissues natin, lalo na kung manipis yung balat at napakalaki na nilagay sa yung implant. Number 2 is because of skin, muscle, and cartilage memory. So even though we did the rhinoplasty, your body will still try to revert to its original form, causing slight or gross deviation. Number 3 is uneven scar formation during the healing process. So number 4 naman is yung tinatawag natin na pressure habit. So ang example nito is yung regularly natutulog ka on one side lang, okay? And yung pagsusuot ng masyadong malalaking sunglasses or glasses. So number 5 is the poor surgical technique that leads to poor nasal structure buildup and support. Kaya mo mapapansin mo rin na parang may slight changes or slight deviation sa ilong mo over time, do not panic because it's organic.
Don't panic, it's organic.
You have to remember the left and right of our body, especially our face and our nose, is never equal to begin with. Especially dun sa healing process. Hindi equal ang pag-heal ng left ng face natin at right ng face natin. So some sort of asymmetry or slight deviation is expected. Pero not gross deformity or deviation. Now, to be sure, you can always consult a board-certified cosmetic surgeon to give you expert advice and personalized treatment plan. Again, this is Dr. Mamani, your hourglass doctor. Your transformation is safe with us.